Imagine a world where homes do more than just provide shelter, where they actively contribute to a healthier planet. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in living, where smart, sustainable homes are the norm. Picture harnessing the power of the sun, recycling water with ease, and using smart appliances to reduce waste. It's not just about revolutionizing comfort and convenience, it's a complete reimagining of our coexistence with the planet. The future of living isn't just about comfort and convenience, it's about cohabiting with our planet in a more responsible way. As the sun rises, so does the power of your home. With the first rays of dawn, your home's solar panels wake up, eagerly absorbing the sunlight. They convert this gift from the sky into electricity, fueling your home for the day ahead. But it's not just about generating power, it's about using it wisely too. That's where your smart appliances come in. Your energy-efficient coffee maker springs to life, brewing your morning cup with minimal energy. The toaster crisps your bread to perfection, all while conserving electricity. Then there's the smart shower, a marvel of modern technology. It adjusts the water flow to minimize waste, ensuring you get a refreshing start to the day without draining our precious water resources. This is the magic of a sustainable morning. It's a symphony of technology and nature, working in harmony to reduce our impact on the environment. A smart, sustainable morning isn't just about saving energy, it's about starting your day in a way that respects our planet. As the day progresses, your home continues to work for you and the environment. The sun is high and your solar panels are soaking up its energy. But here's the thing, any excess power they generate doesn't go to waste. Instead, it's stored in advanced, efficient batteries for later use. It's a sunny day today, but what about a rainy one tomorrow? No worries, you've got a backup. While all this is happening, your smart thermostat is doing some work of its own. It's adjusting the temperature of your home, ensuring maximum comfort while also being mindful of energy efficiency. It's like having a personal assistant who's always thinking about your comfort and the environment. And let's not forget about your smart garden. This green space is not just for aesthetics, it's actively improving air quality, giving you a breath of fresh air right at home. An eco-friendly afternoon is all about optimizing energy use and enjoying a home that breathes with you. As the sun sets, your home ensures you're not left in the dark. As daylight fades, your smart, sustainable home smoothly transitions to harnessing the power of stored solar energy. Throughout the day, your solar panels have been diligently soaking up the sun's rays, converting and storing that energy in high-capacity batteries. Now, as night draws in, that stored energy is ready to light up your evening, powering everything from your kitchen appliances to your entertainment systems. But it's not just about having power, it's about using it responsibly. That's where smart lights come into play. Using sensor-based technology, these lights adjust their brightness based on your needs, dimming when you're not in the room and brightening when you return. This intelligent use of energy not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also results in significant energy savings over time. And what about the water you've used throughout the day? Well, nothing goes to waste in a smart, sustainable home. Your shower water, the water from washing your dishes, even the water you use to wash your hands, all of it is collected, cleaned, and recycled. This reclaimed water is then used to keep your garden lush and green, ensuring that every drop is put to good use. A responsible evening in a smart, sustainable home is about ending your day knowing you've done your part for the planet. Living in a smart, sustainable home isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a reality we can all embrace now. We're not just talking about a distant dream. No, we're talking about the here and now, about the choices we can make today. Choices that will not only benefit us but the generations to come. Consider the advantages of a sustainable lifestyle. It's not just about reducing carbon footprints or saving the polar bears, as important as these things are. It's about a holistic approach to life that values our planet and understands the interconnectedness of all things. Now let's talk about smart home technologies. These aren't just cool gadgets. They're tools that can help us live better, live smarter. They can save us time, money, and yes, they can even help save our planet. So, let's not wait for tomorrow. The future of living is here, and it's smarter, more sustainable, and more in tune with our planet than ever before.